In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Apple TV app on Android. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official app, install it safely, and sign in so you can start watching right away. First, make sure your Android phone or tablet is connected to the internet and has a little free storage space. Then, open the Google Play Store. This is the official app marketplace on Android, and it's where you'll get the Apple TV app securely. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type Apple TV. You should see a list of results appear. You're looking for the official app named Apple TV, published by Apple. Double-check that the developer listed is Apple and that the icon and screenshots match what you'd expect from the real app. This helps you avoid third-party lookalikes that aren't the streaming app you want. Once you've found the official Apple TV app, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. You'll see a progress bar while it works. If you're on mobile data, keep in mind the download may use some of your plan, so Wi-Fi is a good idea if you want to save data. If your device shows a compatibility or storage message, clear some space or try again on a supported device. When the installation completes, tap Open. The Apple TV app will launch and walk you through a quick setup. To watch content, you'll sign in with your Apple ID, the same account you use with other Apple services. Enter your Apple ID and password when prompted. You may be asked to confirm your sign-in for security. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Signing in links your purchases, lets you access your library, and enables streaming for Apple TV Plus if you subscribe. A few important things to know before you start exploring. The Apple TV app is officially available on Android phones and tablets through the Play Store, so you don't need to download anything from unfamiliar websites. You do need an Apple ID to watch content or manage subscriptions, and after you sign in, you can stream Apple TV Plus shows and movies right away. If you don't see the app in search, it may be temporarily unavailable in your region or on your specific device model. That's it. Open the Play Store, search Apple TV, select the official app by Apple, install it, and sign in with your Apple ID. You'll be ready to start watching in just a few minutes. Enjoy your shows.